Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find the crime books on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. New, just go to the lower bar, tap to the third button, the discover, and if you want to find different crimes, go to the second section, the browse all, and tap to the third button, the mystery thriller and crime fiction. In the category section you can find different categories, you can select that, and you can discover different books, you can save it for later, you can check the rating, you can find a different recommendation, a little recommendation, and you can check the audiobook, or you can read the ebook. So that's pretty much it for this video guys, see you in the next one, bye bye.